This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Tesla Model X. Let's start with its unique design. The Falcon wing doors are a standout, opening vertically for easy entry and exit, even in tight spaces. Inside, the expansive touchscreen is your command center, managing everything from navigation to climate. Plus, the advanced autopilot system provides enhanced safety and convenience on your journeys, making driving more relaxed and secure. Getting started is simple. The gear selector stalk on the right side of the steering column lets you easily shift between drive, reverse, and park. On the steering wheel, you'll find intuitive controls for media, volume, and activating cruise control. Remember, the Model X utilizes regenerative braking, which not only helps extend your range by recovering energy, but also reduces wear on your physical brakes. Charging your Model X is flexible. At home, you can use a Tesla wall connector for fast, convenient charging, or the mobile connector for standard outlets. For longer trips, the extensive supercharger network offers rapid charging, getting you back on the road quickly. Always keep an eye on your estimated range and utilize the in-car navigation to plan optimal routes with necessary charging stops. The Model X offers several advanced features for peace of mind. Sentry Mode, for instance, continuously monitors your surroundings when parked, recording any suspicious activity. For maintenance, scheduling service is effortless through the Tesla app, ensuring your vehicle stays in top condition. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.